TATE automatic spot welding machine for automobile fuel tank. It can automatically move and seam welding, with high production efficiency and good welding effect. It is widely used for seam welding of fuel tanks of Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, BYD, Chery, Hyundai, Toyota, and other cars. It can seam weld aluminum fuel tanks, stainless steel fuel tanks, and carbon steel fuel tanks. It will not leak after seam welding and has a beautiful appearance. It can meet various rigorous tests of major car manufacturers. We are the manufacturer of automatic seam welding machine for automobile fuel tank. We can customize all kinds of tank seam welding machines for you, reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.